and this screw is taken out. Okay, when these are loose or taken out, your basket can move around.
Yeah, it's bouncing up and down.
Okay, ideally, what you have to do is make sure this is a position finger. This right here, this protruding little knob, is a position finger. That will fit right into the slot in the plate. This goes into the little slot in the plate. And so that will keep it in check. So I want to put this back here, make sure all the threads are out of the way. When I put this in, before I do anything, before I tighten any screws, I want to rotate this around so that the position finger is in the right position. So I'm going to put this over here, and before I do anything, I want to make sure this is a normal sound.
Okay.
That means the position finger is locked. Now this screw is loose, and it's missing the other screw. So something will give. So right now I'm going to tighten this screw. I'm also going to make sure, as I'm tightening it, that this